What if I tell you that you can actually earn by just using your data? You have been using it already, you have been using it to browse already, all right? But this app actually pays you for that, all right? So before I go deeper, let me explain what permission AI is, all right? And another thing you need to understand is that there's a new challenge on this channel, and that is every 3 days by 4 p.m. Nigeria time, there will be new legitimate online earning update every 3 days, all right? So make sure you check the next 3 days 4 p.m., right? All right, so let's go. So what you just need to understand here is that you have been doing everything you are going to do here. You have been doing it already. Permission AI also have a survey, right? Just the way we have all these survey sites, and you can also earn just by browsing, all right? If you look at this dashboard here, you just see that there's a sign here. This is a sign. This is their sign that they're actually recording how we browse. It's not that they're going to use your data for anything bad. They are verified on S. You can check their S. They have a good badge on S, right? So I want to walk you through everything you need to understand about it, all right? So let's to join, check the description of this video or the comment section, and you will see the link to join in this project, all right? Join with your details. You understand when I say details already, all right? So then the next thing you need to do is that when you come here, you click on these 3 dots here. You click on these 3 dots here. When you click on this place, you will see your profile. Then you see this permission agent. That is this particular one. So you can just come here and chat anything you want to ask. All right. You can just say, okay, they bring the suggestion already. You can just check my ask balance. Ask is the native token of the permission AI and is already listed on base. All right. So as I will join from here, you can just go and say already. All right. So you can see this is my pending balance, and pending balance can be withdrawn to your wallet. On-chain balance are already in your wallet, all right? So pending balance can be withdrawn, on-chain balance, and you can also ask any question you want to ask, right? You can ask any question. You can ask, what is the offer today? Like, for example, let's just say, what is the available offer today? And the bot will look for the offers that are available. I've already done this today, and they give me offers that are available today. You can see down. They say it looks like there's no offer available right now. This can sometimes happen if you have already engaged with all available offers. I've already engaged with all available offers, so that is the reason. All right. So let's go. When you click on the 3 dots again, you see data enrichment up. That's the place you need to do survey. For now, there's no survey for this account right now, so you just keep checking while you are browsing. You keep checking. When there's survey, you just do it, right? When there's survey, you do it. Then when you come here, you can see this redeem. This redeem is where you redeem offers. You can see there are past offers: 20,000 ask, 20,000 ask, 40,000 ask, 20,000. You can see there are many offers passed. All right, when the new ones come, for you not to miss it, join our community on Telegram and WhatsApp. All right, we have a lively community there. So all you just need to do, check the description of this video and the comment section, and you will see the link to join our communities. Right. So that being said, when you click on referrals, you might want to refer your community or your friends. All right, they have a lavish referral bonus, but then listen to the rules. Before a referral can be a qualified referral, the person must join. When the person joins, the person must verify his or her email. After verification of his email, the person must install the extension, the permission AI extension. What does the permission AI extension does? You don't need to do anything inside. All you just need to do is to log in with your details that you used to log in inside the website. And as you are browsing on your browser, you just be earning. But withdrawal is every Monday. You want to have more updates on when to withdraw or when to do other stuff, join our community. All right, they are lively people, and you can also join other updates that we are posting daily there. All right, so you must also use the, and you can on laptop you can use the Chrome web store, but on phone I usually use Mrs. browser. So you will see the link, everything in the comment section. So you just click on it and you are good to go. But first of all, register first on the website, and you just download this one too and use your details that you used to register on the website to use and register here too. All right, so that being said, then the person stay active. As if you are in our community, you have to stay active, right? So I think that has been explained. That is why you can see I have not done tutorial on it. That is why you see even my community members are all on pending. No one has completed already because they have not they didn't have the information yet. All right, so you can see this notification. Okay, you have earned 25 hours for engaging with an offer. This is today, so for you to know, so you can just mark it, read, and that is that. All right, so let's click on the balance. So when you come to the balance, this place, when you come on, this is your wallet, right? When you click on the wallet, you can, the minimum withdrawal here is 5,000 ask. But there's a question I saw in our discussion group. The person said 5,000 ask is not even up to $1. How are we going to do it? This is a new project, and the token can still pump. All right, and each task is more than $5,000. If they I say $5,000, 5,000 ask if there is an offer. All right, it's always more than that. It's always from 20,000 ask. All right, so join our community so that you don't miss out when there is an offer. Right, you can connect your MetaMask in case. I just connected my MetaMask because in case if I want to withdraw. All right, so okay, you can see This one, okay, there's nothing here. This any activities, there's nothing here. All right, so and they actually make it very easy. You can just come to this frequent add question to how to withdraw. You ask how to withdraw, you ask how to send, why is there a withdrawal limit, and to limit fraud on our platform, we set an initial threshold to unlock your wallet. Once this threshold is met, you'll be able to withdraw your ass token. All right, so the token is already listed. It's already listed, and I post it in our community. I post the screenshot in our community. Let me show you. All right, so you can see in our community, I already posted the picture, and you can see this is the screenshots of it on desk screener, and this is ask on Polygon and it's listed on Uniswap. The current price is 0.0012. All right, that is the current price. You can see, but you can see this is already listed, and that is one of the reasons I'm excited. Adibin is a project that you have to do and wait. You know, all this normal drop. It would have been hard for me to actually do tutorial on it, but you can see this was already listed, and you see I've explained it in the community here. Don't miss any updates. Join our community. The link is going to be in the description of this video. Please subscribe. Please join our community. We are ready to welcome you anytime. All right. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.